How to add GIFs onto your Shopify product page. So on my example here, I'll be using the theme Dawn. And once you're on your online store and then under the themes, let's just go onto customize. And for this example, I want to change the image behind here onto a GIF. So if you click on this, you'll see there's going to be first image and second image. Let's change the first image onto a GIF. I'll select the image. And right here, I already have a GIF uploaded. Let's just press done. And then like that, your GIF will be injected onto your Shopify page. If you want to add a new image instead, you can just press add section. And I'll just put in image banner. It'll be the same one here. I'll select the image. It'll be the GIF as well. If you want to upload your own, you can just add images. I'll just upload the same GIF for example's sake. It'll process, and then you can upload it. And it'll be onto a GIF, onto your Shopify image. If you want to delete this GIF, you can just press change, remove image. Or for example, you have this GIF again, but instead of deleting it, you just straight up want to change it to a different image instead. You can select from library or explore from free images from Shopify itself. So for example, I'm just going to change it onto an image of pumpkin pie. Select, and now it's changed. So that is how you add images onto your Shopify product page. It's as easy as that.